This short video will explain how to upgrade from ZENworks Service Desk 8.3.0 to 8.3.1. Go to your Appliance Administration console and log in as root or SD admin. And then you'll notice if you're registered to the channel, you'll have an exclamation point to the online update icon tile. And that's because there are updates awaiting. Could be security updates, could be version updates, and so forth. You can see in the upper left hand corner we're at 8.3.0. We're going to go ahead and select the online update channel. If you don't have that exclamation point, it hasn't checked in with the channel and you may need to register. When you are registered, by selecting the tile, this will reach out to the channel and display all the needed security and upgrade requirements in the list for this version. We are currently registered, so at this point we can go ahead and select Update Now. Now it'll warn us that there will be a service interruption and that we have to reboot, but we're going to select OK here. Now it will perform the install of the Service Desk Release 8.3.1 on top of 8.3.0. The prerequisite is to make sure that you have the ZENworks Service Desk appliance at 8.3.0 before you'll get this in the channel. While we're waiting for this to finish, again, the requirements for the in-place upgrade for ZSD 8.3.1 is a ZSD version 8.3.0 appliance, and you have to be registered to the online update channel. And since we're going through the update channel, we don't need to run the prerequisite RPM that a major upgrade requires. Make sure you have scheduled downtime and system and databases are running. Some of the pre-update tasks are back up the appliance and the database, and if you have an external database, make sure that's backed up. But if you back up the appliance with the internal database, it'll automatically happen. Post-upgrade tasks, it will require a reboot, after which the database schema update will complete. You might want to verify the integrated systems as well, meaning the email and the user sources. Do some tests on that and anything else you might have integrated. The results is there will be a service interruption, the appliance server will reboot or require reboot, and the database schema will be updated and all the features and fixes are installed. And you'll be able to then configure those new features for your Service Desk system. Now that it's complete, you can see there's nothing else for us to install. We'll hit close. And as mentioned, a reboot is required, and you can see the reboot needed here in the upper right hand corner. You can see that the appliance is updated to 8.3.1. We'll go ahead and select reboot needed in order to have those changes take effect. It does take a couple minutes. You can see we're back to the install of the appliance administration console. And we can see now we're at 8.3.1. If we go to our Classics ZENworks Service Desk to log in as a technician, you will see that it has successfully upgraded the database to 8.3.1. We'll go ahead and close this, and technician login will be available for us. We'll go ahead and log in as a technician so we can see the updates. Here we can go ahead and go to the setup, and then we'll double check the licenses. And you can see this is version 8.3.1 now. This concludes this short video on upgrading from ZENworks Service Desk 8.3.0 to version 8.3.1. You can reference the upgrade cookbook if you're coming from any other versions.